In this video, I'm going to give you a brief summary of the main survey templates in our commercial asset management range. Hi, my name is James from PocketSurvey. This channel is all about helping you become a more efficient surveyor, so please subscribe to see more videos of our surveying software. The commercial asset management range of survey templates includes planned maintenance, school surveys, asset data collection such as CAFM, and dilapidations. You can customize all our survey templates very easily yourself. PocketSurvey is very easy to use on site with a clean and uncluttered user interface. You hardly have to type anything since most data input is done using menus. Any photos taken on site are automatically included in the reports. You can set your survey templates up to take multiple photos if you wish. Reports are nicely colour coded. Most of the items in the templates can be changed and added to using the easy to use template editor in the desktop software. This effectively means you can design your own app without any programming. It really is the easiest mobile software you will find, so I urge you to give it a try. And you get an automatic photo gallery at the end of all your reports, which saves you a lot of time. That's a brief overview of some of the survey templates. There's much more to the software, such as the database and reporting system, so please check out the training and demonstration videos. Here's a couple of screenshots of our database and reporting system. We call it a spread base. It's like a spreadsheet. It's got a top sheet and a bottom sheet, but in fact it works like a very powerful database. Please feel free to ask any questions below or contact me via the PocketSurvey website. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. You will find links in the description below to download a trial copy of the mobile software. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to see more videos from this channel. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more, please join our mailing list and download the trial app, or book a demonstration via PocketSurvey.com.